Up to this, we covered list, tuple, set, frozen set. All data types have common point, that is a group of individual objects. If we want key value pairs like roll number, name, mobile number, address. For these type of key value pairs, we can go for dict data type. In other word, we can say that is a dictionary, is a collection of key value pair where the values can be any Python object. In contrast, the keys are the immutable Python object, that is number, string or tuple. Okay, I will show you one example. I already mentioned for dictionary also we were going to use the curly braces. Okay, and here I mentioned 100 is a number subject code and the subject name as a value. Okay, the key is an mutable thing, immutable. We can't change it because the duplicates are not allowed. If we mention 100, again we can't give the 100 to another subject. It is an fixed as a 100 is for Python, 200 is for Java. We can, but we can change 200 is for C. Like we can change the values, but we can't change the key. Okay, and here you just check this type is dictionary type. And already I mentioned for creating the empty set, empty curly bracket is enough. This is an empty set, sorry, empty dictionary. Okay, if I want to add anything, key value pairs in an empty dictionary means first I will create an empty dictionary like this. Okay, now I want to add some key values in that empty dictionary. In that scenario, I want to mention a square bracket. Inside the square bracket we need to mention the key. I'm going to give the key as a 101. Now I need to give the value. Here I have for 101, like roll number and name, I'm giving my name. Okay, now again I am adding the second key value pair, like 102 roll number, 103. Like this I added. Now let's print this one. Are you clear? We can add the key and values in the empty dictionary using like this. Okay, now some of them were asked if we can, is that possible if we add any duplicates in key means what we will get. Key value duplicates are not allowed in Python. This thing you need to remember. Okay, if we try to add duplicate key, we will not get an error, but the old value Python will be replaced as new value. Okay, for example, if I give 103 equal to Jack, it will not show an error, but the value of Syed is changed as a Jack. The value only changed, the key is not changed. You can because this key and value pair you can't, even if you change, you can't understand whether a key is changed or value is changed. Make sure key is immutable. We can't change the key value key, only we can able to change the value. Okay, how to access the dictionary values. We have discussed how the data can be accessed in the list and tuple by using the indexing. However, the values can be accessed in the dictionary by using the keys, as keys are unique in the dictionary. For example, um, employee name and age, salary. If I want to mention anything, we need to mention using the key value. key, using the key we can represent the value in the print statement. I will show you an example. Here I declared name, age and salary in employee variable. The type is dictionary, right? If I want to print the output of name, means we need to call the key. Here this one, this is a just a variable to output, showing the output. Okay, here I can mention like first is that f, like that I mentioned. Okay, but if you change the value here, it will show an error, because this one percentage employee means go to the employee variable. Inside the variable, the key name, choose the key name and print the name of the value of that name key. Are you clear? Once again, I here I mentioned as a capital P. Are you clear, guys? Okay. If I want to delete a particular key, means what should I do? The same thing. We here we have del of which one we need to delete. Like for example, I need to delete the key 102, means here we need to mention the key number only. Key, not the value. Okay, key may be integer or string, anything. Here I mentioned 102 integer, so I mentioned the integer value 102. If I mention this one, it will delete the 101. Here it is not deleted, sorry. A of a of 102. Sorry, we need to mention square in square bracket. Now let's print this. It is removed, right? If I want to delete entire a variables, means I need to mention del space a. Now if you try to print, it will mention name a is not defined, because I deleted the a variable completely. If you like this video, please click like, share and subscribe to your friends. Sorry, subscribe the channel.